Did you know that your brain is a powerhouse capable of astonishing feats? Here's a mind-boggling fact. The human brain has the storage capacity equivalent to about 2.5 petabytes. That's roughly 3 million hours of high-definition video. Today, we're about to embark on an exploration into the mesmerizing world of brain hacking, unlocking 10 jaw-dropping methods to supercharge your cognitive abilities. Stick around, because what you're about to discover might just reshape your understanding of what your mind is truly capable of. Our first tip is to expand and rehearse your knowledge. Think of your mind as a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. When you learn something new, don't just read it and move on. Instead, dive deeper. Explore the topic, pull it apart, and put it back together. Engage with the information, talk about it, write about it, teach it to someone else. This active engagement reinforces neural pathways, making recall easier. Remember, the more you rehearse, the better your memory gets. Next, always try to relate new information to things you already know. This technique, known as associative learning, is like building bridges between islands of knowledge in your mind. For instance, if you're learning about photosynthesis, link it to your existing knowledge about plants and sunlight. By creating connections, you're essentially paving a path for your brain to easily retrieve the new information. This method can transform fleeting short-term memories into more permanent long-term ones. Switching up your study routine can also do wonders for your memory. It's like giving your brain a new playground to explore. The unfamiliarity of a new study routine or environment can stimulate your brain, encouraging it to form new connections and pathways. This can lead to a more robust memory network. Trying different study methods, studying at different times of day, or even changing your study location can all contribute to this effect. Give extra consideration to challenging information. Diving into complex information can feel daunting, but it's crucial for memory improvement. The harder the information, the more our brains have to work to comprehend it. This extra effort creates stronger neural connections, which in turn improve memory retention. So don't shy away from difficult topics. Instead, embrace them, knowing that they are strengthening your memory. Remember, the more challenging the information, the more attention it deserves. Our fifth tip is to use mind mapping. Think of your brain as a sprawling city with various paths and connections. Mind mapping mirrors this structure, helping you visually organize information and improve memory recall. It's like drawing a roadmap of your thoughts, with main ideas branching out into sub-ideas. This method enables you to see the bigger picture, making it easier to remember and retrieve information. Mind maps aren't just fun to make, they're a powerful tool for memory recall. Did you know that meditation can improve your working memory? That's right. Engaging in regular meditation practices can help enhance cognitive functions, including memory. Meditation not only reduces stress, but also improves concentration, allowing your brain to better process and retain information. It's like giving your brain a workout, strengthening it just as you would any other muscle. Here's a great excuse to have another cup of coffee. It's not just the caffeine kick that gets your day going, it can also enhance your memory. Studies have shown that caffeine promotes memory consolidation, the process of strengthening the neural connections that form our memories. This doesn't mean you should overdo it, but a cup or two while learning something new could give your memory a helpful boost. So next time you're studying, consider having a cup of joe. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. While we rest, our brains are busy sorting and storing the day's experiences. This crucial process, known as memory consolidation, transforms fleeting thoughts into lasting memories. Without sufficient sleep, our minds struggle to capture new information. And it's not just about quantity, the quality of our sleep matters too. Deep, uninterrupted sleep cycles are the key to a robust memory bank. Remember, a well-rested brain is a more efficient one. Our ninth tip is to visualize concepts. It's like painting pictures with your mind. Imagine a grocery list as a colorful parade of produce, or a historical event as a movie playing in your head. These mental images act as anchors, making information easier to recall. Studies show that this technique can significantly boost memory recall. Lastly, don't forget to structure, outline, and organize. This isn't just about tidying up your desk or sorting your digital files, it's about organizing the information in your mind in a way that makes it easy to retrieve when you need it. Think of your brain like a library. If the books were scattered everywhere, it would be tough to find the one you need, right? But if they're neatly arranged on shelves, categorized by genre, author, or title, the task becomes so much easier. That's exactly what we're trying to achieve with our minds. Let's take an example. If you're learning a new language, don't just learn the vocabulary. Group the words by theme or context. Maybe today you're learning all the words related to food. Tomorrow, you might focus on phrases used in travel. Creating these connections and structures helps your mind map information more efficiently, making recall a breeze. Remember, a well-organized mind is a well-remembered one. So there you have it, 10 proven tips and tricks to improve your memory. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you boost your memory. We are curious, what are your favorite tips to study and memorize better? Let us know in the comment section below. Stay tuned to Wellness Wave for more health and wellness tips.